G'day, we're just here in Small Street in Putney. We're just changing over an old Pioneer ducted system for a new Panasonic. Premium inverters they are. Good quality. Let's go take a look at where the outdoor unit was. We're moving it to the other side of the house because it was blowing over their living area. Let's just go take a quick look. Alright, so this is where the old outdoor unit was. It was a massive unit, old, about 20 years plus, inefficient, so it doesn't cool or heat enough, costing more money than what it's worth now. So we've decided to replace it. Moved location as well. As you can see here, it's right in their deck area where they sit and enjoy the nice summer, where they don't want hot air blowing onto them during that day. So we've moved it around the other side of the house. Let's go take a look. Alright, so here we are on the other side of the house. Our services are coming through the eave here. We've got some nice cream trunking, same as the wall, for the services to be covered in. Nice and straight and level. The unit will be just on the other side of this fence here on a concrete slab, if you just take a look. And that outdoor unit is what you saw at the start of this video. It's going to be nice and level on the ground, piping out of the trunking straight into that, all nice and neat. We'll post some photos after this video so you can see the final product. So if you've got ducted aircon you need, or an old system that's not working anymore, or think about this, it might be costing you more than it's worth running. The old units, they chew up a lot of power. These new ones, they ramp right down and save a lot of electricity. Even electrical work, we do all things from start to finish. Before we go, we might just have a look in the roof and you can see how we hang the units. Everything gets tucked up off the ceiling, so let's take a look. Alright, so we're here upstairs. New control on the wall. The owners decided to keep the same zoning system, which we can keep or we can replace. It's completely up to the consumer. Up here is the return air. So this is where all the air gets sucked in. The grill's not there yet because that's how we get in and out of the roof and take the unit in and out. Let's have a look. So here we are up in the roof. The old unit used to sit up here as well. We've taken that down. It's been scrapped already. New units here, hung up by a metal strap off the ceiling, no vibrations. The duct gets reconnected to the new unit, and we run all new pipes and cable so there's no contamination. You got to check that. Some people like to keep using the same pipes. That's the trunking going on the wall. Yeah, so that's one thing to check in your quote. Make sure they're changing the pipes because the new gas is not compatible with the old ones. We do everything the right way the first time, so you don't have to worry about a thing. If you're in Putney, anywhere nearby, Sydney, Northern Beaches, we do all around that area, so give us a buzz and we'll post some photos of the final product shortly.